For those of you that couldn't find the hidden bolts, they are hidden behind these little covers on the front bumper. And I just wanted to show you this just in case you're stuck over here and you don't have to watch the whole video. And for the rest of us that are doing the removing the bumper completely, this is a complete tutorial on how to remove the Peugeot 4007 front bumper. And without further ado, let's get into our main video demonstration. We're going to start the process by removing the side clips on the inside of the wheels, and there's one clip over here which is the most important one. And with a clip remover and a Phillips screwdriver, I'm going to first show you the proper way of removing the clips, and then how I like to cheat and remove them quickly. So first unscrew the inner part of the clip with a Phillips screw, and then with a clip remover get in between and pull that one out, and then the clip will come off easily after the center part is off. Go ahead and remove all the clips that hold the bumper to the guard liner, and that's what the idea is to detach on these clips, detach the bumper from the guard liner, and the top clip is to detach the guard from the bumper. That small clip that I showed you before. So I'll just go in between the center part of the clip and just use a clip remover. I don't use a Phillips screwdriver most of the time. It's kind of cheating, but it's most of the time quicker. Now for the clip that holds the bumper to the guard. It was a bit hard to show, but same idea. It's just a clip, go in between and detach the clip, and the idea is we'll do this on both sides. So pull the guard liner off a little bit, and then you will see that the front bumper is coming out, and we will leave that like that for now, and we'll go to the other side and we'll do the same thing. Remove all the clips that hold the bumper to the guard liner and then the guard. And it's the same idea. And on the bottom of the front bumper, you want to remove all the clips and bolts that are on the bottom front of the front bumper. So this clip, this next clip, this next clip, and then those 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the other clips. I won't be showing you removing all the clips because they're just clips, but here's a few. And as you can see on the next part of the video, so this is just a few. You'll need to remove the clips on the other side as well, basically all the ones that you saw before, and it's just removing clips, so that's why I didn't record all of them. And then next, there's two clips that are on the bit of the inside. I'll just show you these ones. As you can see, I've already removed the 10mm bolts, and this clip is the same idea. All the clips and bolts that hold the bumper to the splash guard. So on the front, bottom of the bumper, as you can see, all of them have been removed. Next, we'll come to the hidden bolts that are on the front bumper. There's one on the center here, and underneath there was supposed to be a 10mm bolt, but this has been taken off already. Next, on the grill, remove the cover and then remove the 10mm bolt. And then we'll come to the top where I'd like to end the process. Remove these 4 clips, and there will be only the cable and for the sensor, which we will remove shortly after these clips are removed. On either side, just pull the bumper off and it should slide out. And then the cable for the sensors. And this is pretty much how you remove the front bumper from a Peugeot 4007. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel if you have liked this video. And we will see you in our upcoming videos.